Yo, yo, yo. What the fuck is up, my niggas? Right here, nigga. HD 1080p, nigga. Nah, I mean, it's the 5. Right now, where we at? Hold on. Where we at? Do this look familiar to you folks? Hold on. That's right, my nigga. We live. Reporting to you live from motherfucking Mickey D's, my nigga. Guess who we got to my right? Yo.
And check out the first
Atari
team, man.
Atari, my nigga.
That's
Atari, my nigga.
That's before you was even thought of being thought of, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
You see me, nigga, man? Fuck that shit, nigga. I love Nintendo. Anyway, we right here. We trying to get loopy. Fucking with what did I say, my nigga? Pro Tools. It's the Pro Tools, my nigga. Got my little netbook with me. Know what I mean? I got my little microphone with me. Know what I mean? I had my frappe, but that shit gone, nigga. I don't even know where that shit went, nigga. But anyways, I'm letting you know. We on. We popping. We gonna get it in. No bullshit. We ain't coming out with no 95th mixtapes this summer. None of that, nigga. We straight about to get it in. 3. Anything you gotta say, my nigga?
Yo, so I just wanna let you know that you ill, but you not ill. You ain't ill enough, son. My nigga right here, 2 Fizzer, is gonna come at you harder than you ever known with some real shit. You know what I'm saying? Straight real, son, for next.
And I'm gonna be hitting niggas off with them pluralisms, nigga. Believe that. Pluralisms.